Welcome to Correct Science. Today we are going to solve an amazing math question on function. This is the question. Find the domain of this function g of x. This question might look simple, but let's see how we can solve it together. You can pause the video to solve it on your own and later watch to clarify our answer. Let's solve it together. Okay, so we have g of x being equal to the root of x plus 4 on x minus 2. How do we solve this question? We want to find the domain of the given function. So first of all, we want to find the values for x for which g is defined. Now we know that the square root of negative numbers are not defined for real numbers. So it means the expression under the square root sign should be greater than or equal to 0. So let's see how that will be. So now we have x plus 4 on x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Getting to this point, someone would like to multiply through by x minus 2. But do we think that will help us? Let's try multiplying through by the square of the denominator rather and see what will happen. Okay, when we do so, this one will take the exponent 2 away. So we have x plus 4 multiplying x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now, getting this, you can use this small sketch here. This side is greater than 0, this side is less than 0 for the values of y. So now when we equate this to 0, we get negative 4. When we equate this to 0, we get 2. So the true values we are considering is negative 4 and 2. Now, we are saying that it should be greater than or equal to 0. So look at this. We are saying this side is greater than 0. It means the values will be considering with the values above the line. So for negative 4 to be the values here, and for 2 to be the values here. So what can we say about these values? So we can say that x, when you move to this side, it keeps on reducing. Negative 5 is smaller than negative 4. So x is less than or equal to negative 4, or x, when you go to this side, it's increasing, greater than or equal to 2. We are not done yet, but we are almost done. So what do we do to finish? Okay, so now we concluded that x is less than or equal to negative 4, or x is greater than or equal to 2. But let's consider when x is equal to 2, what happens to the function? So we can clearly see that when x equals 2, then we have 2 plus 4, 2 minus 2. The numerator becomes 0, which makes it undefined. So x equals 2 is not part of this range, this domain. So what we can do is we can take away this equal to sign, take it off. So we therefore have our domain to be x such that x is a member of real numbers, x is less than or equal to negative 4, or x is greater than 2. Thank you very much for watching this video. Ask questions in the comments.